A will and trust should be reviewed and updated generally every 3 to 5 years. And that is kind of just a basis to go off of. Sometimes it really depends on the family situation. It also depends on what your age is. Have you gone through any serious health conditions? Is there something that's coming up? So, a lot of these contribute to needing to review those plans. Again, it all depends on what's going on in your life. So, when considering updating your will and trust, and especially when you go to review it, it's important that if you have a specific life event, you don't wait for that time period to happen, right? You make those changes immediately. Some of those life events that may occur would be if you had a child. We want to make sure that the child's information is updated properly and that you have the guardians nominated of who you would want to be listed there. Another life event would be as if you got married. Here, your life is probably in a completely different situation from when you originally created your plan. And you want to make sure that whatever your plan is going to be going forward, that it takes into account your new spouse and what your plans are with your assets, as well as any um, agent nominations that we need to do for that new spouse, as well as any beneficiary designations and inheritances to them. What if somebody that you had listed as an agent in your plan were to pass away? This is the time that you then need to make sure that your estate plan is updated. Depending on how many agents you have listed, it's important that you are able to have backups listed in there. And so for some plans that I've seen, they may not have backups listed. And so when they have somebody that's passed away and there's nobody as a backup, it's important that you get that updated. I will also say that sometimes life events just happen where maybe the people that you identified in your plan years ago, you're no longer friends with. Maybe they've moved away. You need to make sure that your plan is updated so that it was able to follow what you want now, because life is always going to be changing and your estate plan should change with it.